Boy, up here it didn't take the wolves too long to get this one right here. I mean, the deer just came back. There's a, they kind of went up this way, I guess. I mean, there's a spot over there. Had to be like in the last week. Right there. There's another hair spot. There's a hip plate right there. And then over here, there's a bunch of rib bones. Here's a rib bone right here. And here's a bunch more rib bones right there. And then up here is a pretty fresh leg bone right here. You got all the good stuff off of it. I'm gonna look around a little bit more, see what I can find. But anyway, yeah, there's wolves hanging around. That's it.